The check-in app for Marketo is an app that you can download for iOS or Android tablets. It allows you to check people in at physical events and have that attendance data feed back automatically to Marketo without any manual steps. Once you've installed it on your tablet, you'll see this screen. Firstly, you will need to log in. So once you log in to Marketo using your standard Marketo login, what will happen is it will pull all the events that are enabled for the check-in app and also those that are actually in the future. So for example, if an event is past, it won't appear. At this point, you would select the event that you're currently at and you want to check guests in. And then next, you could select people from the list. So you might scroll through here, select the person that is wanting to register. You could also search for them. And then you would simply confirm that's the correct person. You may even update their details by clicking edit and putting some more details in if you don't have those details on the spot. And then you would simply select check-in. At that point, that attendance data would automatically feed back into Marketo using program statuses. And then from Marketo, you could trigger events such as thank you emails or event agendas or SMS agendas from this app, and that would happen all automatically.